They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
Hi and welcome to BIM Solutions. In this video we'll look at creating a central model to allow a number of people in your office to work on the same file. For this tutorial we're going to use sample projects that come with Revit when you install it. To start off we're going to go to File, Open, Project, and we're going to use the architectural model as our central model. Now we go to the Collaborate tab and hit this tab here, Collaborate. We want to collaborate within our own network. Now you can see all these, they're not grayed out anymore. For now we want to go to File, Save As, Project. And I'm going to save this on my desktop, but for yourselves you want to save it on a server for everyone else to have access. So we'll just click Save. And you can see up here now we have the Synchronize tab. We'll just click that and that saves our changes back to our central model. Now we can start creating worksets. So we'll just create a few here. Walls, roof, and so on. Each element can then be assigned to its own workset. So we'll just select our walls. And over here, you can add it to its new workset. Thanks for watching, and that's how you create your central model. If you have any questions, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.